All right, last one.
Last story of the day. Pizza Hut is selling its spiciest pizza ever. Interesting. That looks delicious. How did they make it so spicy? I presume all kinds of peppers. Beginning Thursday, it's rolling out the Spicy Lovers Pizza for a limited time. The pie features spicy marinara sauce, 2 types of pepperoni, red jalapeno peppers, a sprinkled topping custom made with herbs and crushed chili peppers. 3 versions are available: double pepperoni, chicken pineapple, and a veggie version topped with green bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms, starting at $12.99 for a large. People are increasingly craving spicy food, Pizza Hut says. A third-party report from Technomic, a research firm that specializes in the food service industry, found that nearly 80% of fast food customers say they enjoy moderately spicy foods. I would have to agree with that. I'm into the spice a little bit lately. Pizza Hut sales at U.S. restaurants rose 2% in its most recent quarter compared to a year earlier. Yeah, okay. I'm down. The spiciest ever? Does that mean it won't be moderately spicy, but instead very spicy? Because they were saying
Red jalapenos.
A lot of people want
crushed
moderate
chili peppers.
spice, but are they really going for true spicy?
There's no ghost peppers in here, so it's not super spicy.
You're setting the bar pretty high there, Will.
I'm guessing it's the hottest that they've made.
Right,
but it's
which
not
doesn't say much because
that
their
hot.
stuff hasn't been that spicy in the past.
Yeah.
Everything's spicy though, right? Like the sauce,
Everything.
The whole thing is spicy.
As opposed to you're saying like a spicy sandwich in which like the bun might not be spicy.
Yeah.
So your whole bite, I guess the dough is not spicy still.
But still, like a spicy sandwich might just be like a few jalapenos on it.
It might be.
This is like,
It
you
might
got the chili peppers. And
You got a lot of spice. When does it roll out, Will? Should we do it live on the air or what? When does it roll out?
February 9th.
February 9th. Come back to this show. It might be the 10th. And we will test the spiciest pizza ever from Pizza Hut. Thank you to everyone who joined us on this inaugural live episode. I don't know, because we did live before, but like we're going to do live now because we're hanging out. It's a hangout. Thanks to Jack for joining. Thanks to Mo for doing a bunch of thumbnails. And also, obviously, delivering the Tim Hortons. We may have to dig into these donuts now. Thanks again, everybody. See you soon.